Testing officer 1. I've done my washing of hand already over there, and yeah. Let me taste this to see. Father Lord, amen. Do you want me to say a sexy one? A sexy one. I said, me say that channel. Oh, these two is zaffi, proper one. I believe these people are from the north because the northerners are the best with zaffi, and I believe they are from the northern part of Ghana. Hey.
Okay.
So boys is the name, and when you come, you do your own grinding, yeah. A soft come on. The greens too, with the dancing all day.
Since by my side, we gonna be alright.
Wow. The guy. Yeah. Hello brothers, sisters, how y'all doing with this? So boy, cooking with Sindaco, and I'm back again. So I'm in Sunyani Zongo. So after the Eating Well Bowl video, I mean the Sanka video, we were hungry. So a friend of mine, Ogwamba Crystal and Madam Rainbow recommended the best TZ joint in Sunyani Zongo. I was so happy because TZ in Zongo is going to be the real deal. I got to the place and I found out that the place is called Boys Ghetto. No, there's no ghetto, eh? It's Boys, yeah? Let's do this. Boss man, what are you going? Yeah, so if you come to Sunyani, this is the macho man over here. Sunyani macho man, that's him. Boss macho, yeah, that's his name.
Side of him leaning. We outside, yeah. Paintings by my side.
Yeah, I'm here in Sunyani, and this place is one of the famous, popular joints in Sunyani Zongo, yeah? It's called Boys. So if you want the best TZ in Sunyani, this is the place to be. Yeah, so I'm here with Sister Lucy, and she's the chief stirrer. Let me call it the chief stirrer. You see how she stirred the thing? Experience war, yeah? So she will give us a rundown how the whole preparation starts and what kind of ingredient they use for this TZ. Then we use it for a fence, you know. It's some for pan one. Okay, so corn flour. Okay, corn flour and cassava flour. And to can mean from the TZ now. Okay, this are anonquan. Can mean okay, I didn't ice of the blizzard. Hey, I want for experience around you. Guy, yeah, yeah. What's you are? Yeah, you go so wise,
Gangsters never cry. We gonna be alright. We outside, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, them kind of did. Huh? Them kind of did.
Stew.
How are you? Oh, okay.
We outside, yeah. Paintings by my side. We gonna be alright. We outside, yeah. We popping champagne, we drinking my way, fuck all my enemies.
Where they do the selling, yes, as you can see, there's a lot of queue going on. Meaning people do come here to purchase or to eat over here, great stuff. Over there we have some contumely or some greens for the soup. Yeah, so I just said that when you want your food to be more spicy, you need to grind your own pepper, like pepper and ginger. Yeah, so they have what do you call it? The local blender. This is small. Okay, so I have my local blender over here. Asanka Puyoyo, you know what it is? Yeah. It's okay over here. Okay, this what they use for the grinding, yeah, the bow tie. And I'm gonna put here. Okay, so I'll take this, then a slice of ginger. Yeah, but some washing one some. Yeah, so we're onion, ginger, and pepper, and a bit of wash real quick. Yeah, and it will go inside my blender. Yeah, so as you know, I'm salting that sound. Okay, Billy. So add a bit of salt to it, very little. Yeah. Then so So first time seeing a place or a chop bar that you go there, you do your own grinding. Yeah, incredible. You grind and you pay as well. Yeah. Boys in sunyani. Zongo. Yes, it's a whole setup on its own, and after grinding your pepper and ginger, you form a queue, then you make the order. What's your petit set? Or 9? 2 and 3. What am I? So that's the green soup. What's your name? Ayoyo, okay. That's ayoyo. So she'll mix the ayoyo with the pepper. Okay. Mom, tell them Harry. Back here 3. Mom 5. So when the TZ is ready, they pack everything to the size that they want to sell inside the rubber. And so that's 3 CDs, and I'm buying 5 CDs. It's just 2 balls here. And say a line, it will be there. I'm for them. If you're not lie, so you see that like 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm the 4th person. Oh God. Yeah, so the rubbers represent the line.
We outside, yeah. Paintings by my side, we gon' be alright. We outside, yeah. We poppin' champagne.
So basically here when you come, if you don't know how to cook, then you can't eat here. Yeah? One thing for sure, you need to know how to grind pepper.
And I'm saying.
And then they're saying, meat. What fish or? But Simon ain't it right? I'm Simon one now, meat too. Me too. I'm in Pimbio. It's already I've been crying. Crying still no. Okay. Yeah, so basically this is the soup for the green, yeah, for the TZ. So this is how it looks like in real life. So in real life, this is how it looks like. And for Shizum and Nizzle, I need to try this. Yeah? Sunyani zongo, boys. Arokodo.
It's this never fine. We gon' be alright. We outside, yeah. We poppin' champagne, we drinking my way, fuck all my enemies. Wait.
Testing officer 1. I've done my washing of hand already over there, and yeah. Let me taste this to see. Oh, okay. Father Lord, amen. The food is dope, very dope. This too is zaffi, proper one. I believe these people are from the north because the northerners are the best with zaffi, and I believe they are from the northern part of Ghana. It's dope. Wow. Wow. Yeah, so this is the final processing when Arokodo and the other one here. You can't do TZ with green soup without dawa. That's a foul. Like I say a chutum. What I say? For Shizum and Nizzle, Sunyani, I'm out. Yeah.
Just to make this.